You need a net? All right, well then I got you. Is it catfish?
Didn't feel like it.
I see you. Get him out the trolling motor.
I'm gonna flip him.
No, don't flip him. Don't flip him.
Watch out, I'm flipping him.
All right. I'll throw him with my hand. I'll get him with my hand. Goodness gracious. Now I'm switching. Now I'm switching. That's a good 6.5.
No, he's a 4.5.
Or 6. Well, let me get a better look at it. Yeah, 4.5, 5. Good one. You want to hold them, see if we can do a best 5?
Yep. No, we ain't holding them.
Okay.
We're gonna put these babies back right where they want to be.
I hear you. 10 pounder. Goodness gracious. I need to switch.
Boy, it felt like it. It didn't move.
I need to switch. That's all I need to see. Switch to a different bait. That's easy to do.
We're excited they scored, dude. 4 pounds even.
Yeah. It's a good one.
Got to save it.
Fat though, fat fish.
Real fat. Pretty strong. 4-1 is what he's saying.
We've got it locked in.
A quick picture.
We've got it locked in at 4-1.
Yeah. Got a phone right here.
I got one.
Just make sure they can't see what's in the back. I'm gonna stay in the bottom.
All right.
There you go.
All right. Make it easier.
Turn the brightness up so you can see it there.
Yeah, perfect. You got the sun behind me too. There we go. 1, 2. All right, now hold us that way. There we go. 1, 2. Good.
Cool. Put her right back where she wants to be.
Nice one.
4 pounder. 4 pounder.
Now I get to go do a chatterbait.